अश्वनी वैष्णव पूरी तरह से लगकर पूरी कर रहे हैं. I will very briefly make some of the statements in English on this. Railways is perhaps the most preferred mode of transport as far as India's middle class, lower middle class and the poor are concerned, simply because it is the most economical means of transportation. I am showing you two pictures here. One of Balasore in Odisha exactly a year back in June 2023. And here is another picture of Kanchenjunga Express, which met with an accident in West Bengal yesterday, killing 15 people and injuring 40 others. 1,117 rail accidents, according to the government data, have happened in the last 9 years, from 2014 to 2023, which means an accident every 3 days. And these accidents have resulted in loss of life and property. There is a list of accidents that I can keep going on. But who is responsible? Who is going to take the moral responsibility for this? We've seen railway ministers in the past own up to moral responsibility, resign from their positions of influence and power. But here we have a railway minister who does not miss an opportunity, even in the time of plight, even in the time of tragedy, to make reels. He is not the rail minister, he is actually the real minister of India. And even when he went to Darjeeling, even when he went to the site in West Bengal yesterday, he was riding pillion on a bike. Why? Without a helmet? So that he would be better captured in a video? Is that what your priority is? Because quite frankly, the Kavach protection scheme that you spoke about has completely failed this country and has failed the Indian Railways. What explains the 3,12,000 vacancies in the Indian Railways? What explains the 21% vacant positions for loco pilots? People responsible to run the railways safely. And it is because there are human errors, tragedies and accidents like this happen. They are made to work extra hours, sometimes 12, 14, 16 hours a day. How do you expect railways to be safe? The reality also is that funds that were earmarked for the safety of Indian Railways, the Railway Rail Sanraksha Kosh, was earmarked with 20,000 crore worth of funds. 15,000 crore will come from the central government, 5,000 from Railways internal accruals and revenues. They have been able to amass only 4,225 crores, and the reality is even that money has been spent on procuring crockery and furniture, making gardens, buying foot massagers, computers, escalators. Is this your priority? There's a depreciation reserve fund. Out of 58,459 crore that was supposed to be utilized, you've utilized only 600 crore. What is your priority? You have an issue with overflowing coaches with people, but why are they there? Because there are not ample number of trains. 2,71 lakh people could not travel the last fiscal because their tickets did not get confirmed. Why did they not get confirmed? Because there are no adequate seats, there is no adequate rail facility available. From this platform, we would only like to say that somebody in this government has to own up to what is happening to the Indian Railways. The insecure travel of Indian Railways is a huge cause of concern for common masses of this country who prefer traveling by railways because it is economical. I do believe that Ashwani Vaishnav's priority should be railways, but Ashwani Vaishnav को रेल को बर्बाद करने के लिए उनकी पदोन्नति हुई है. पिछली बार वो रेल और आईटी मंत्री थे, इस बार उनको आईएनबी भी दिया गया, पुरस्कार दिया गया, मेडल पहनाया गया है. और तेजी से बर्बाद करो रेलवे को, उससे ज्यादा तेजी से हम निजीकरण करेंगे. ये असलियत है. आपके सवालों का स्वागत है. रेल पर अगर रहेंगे तो अनुग्रहित रहूंगी.
Do you also directly demand Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav's resignation?